Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself, Assistant Professor Sabah Sheikh. Today we are discussing new media tool through the digital public relation, Module 4, Chapter 2, from the subject of CCPR, class SY Let's discuss. Chapter name is New Media Tool through the Digital Public Relation. Topic cover here: Introduction to Digital Public Relation, Objectives of Digital PR, Importance of Digital PR, Tools of Digital PR. We are discuss one by one. Introduction to Digital PR. What is meant by the Digital PR? Digital PR means maintaining the relationship between the digital way. Digital PR, short from Digital Public Relation, it is a branch of public relation that is focused on the managing and improving organizational reputation, communication and engagement in the digital or online environment. If we are talking about the digital relationship, we are maintaining the relation via the online platform. It involves the various digital platform, channels, strategies, connection and the target audience, enhance the brand visibility and achieve the PR objectives. And the main PR objective is to maintain the relationship between organization or local public via the digital way. Definition of digital public relation. Digital public relation is the unique way of promoting of our organization, its product, service, enhancing visibility and the virtual environment using internet tools. In the market, there are so many tools which is available. With the help of them, we are maintaining the good digital PR relation. Here are the objectives of digital PR. Here are some points. First is increase brand awareness, get closer to the customer, resolving the queries easily, save cost, event promotion, build online relation. Let's discuss one by one. Increase brand awareness. It means digital PR is most people when you are the brand and or company, especially you have the event in specific, telling the lots of people about their parties organized and telling a lot of things regarding to the company, and they are also providing the platform to discuss our things and thoughts related to the public. Next is the get closer to customer. It means digital PR. Let's connect with your customer online. You can chat with them, answer the question, and friendly neighbor who is always them when you need them, and it is always available 24/7. Resolving their queries quickly. If customer have any question or problem, digital PR help to fix fast. It's helping consumer and the customer service hotline, and always they helping to the always open. If you have any question, you can solve there easily. Next is the save cost. Save cost means digital PR is reduce the lots of cost, because if you are following any traditional media or the traditional method, it is taking a lot of huge money amount you have to spend. But if the company using the digital PR, we can reach people easily and large number of people at a one place on a digital platform, and it is the finding the cheaper and telling everyone to our business. Next is event promotion. If we are talking about the event promotion, it is having like a sale or party. Digital PR can spread over world, sending the digital invitation to the everyone. Build online relation. Digital online relation is about making the friend online. You build relation with the customer, influence other, and you also the neighbor helping each out to building our relation online. Here are some importance of digital PR: global reach, cost saving, real-time connection, online visibility, stay updating. Let's discuss one by one. Global reach. If we are talking about the global reach, we can reach globally our country and our home country and the other country. Global reach can be the people all over the world. With the digital PR, it like taking and talking to our friends from the digital country without leaving our place. It means in our one safe and in one area, we can speak with the different areas people, and we can discuss via the online like WhatsApp, Hotmail, Instagram and the other digital media. Next point is the cost saving. If I am talking about the cost saving is the important part of the digital PR, it means it is a cheaper to promote your online compared to the another ad, TV ad and the newspaper ad. It is finding the more affordable way to people about your business. It also helps to the people to knowing about our brand and our positioning in a very cheap and the very low cost. Real time connection. If I am talking about the real time connection, it means we can connect with the other person and other person get give me an immediate reply and immediate feedback via the online platform. You can talk to the customer right time. The way of online, it having the conversation with them instantly. They just like texting the friend, and companies also having a some online platform, their online chat box and online AI box, they are immediately reply, and you have posted something and they can also the feedback immediately. Next is the online visibility. If I am talking about the online visibility, digital PR have to seen on the internet. It's like putting a big sign on your business where a lots of people passes. And if I am saying about the online visibility, there are lots of online things are available. We can search and we can also be getting knowledge from that on the online platform. Staying updated. If I am talking about the staying updated, it is not possible in an offline way to move one place to another place from the getting the information. If we are taking the help of the digital PR, we need to learn and keep learning about a new thing online. It's just like a top of the latest trend, just like keeping with of the fashion. And we are also seeing we are searching one same thing another, and lots of people say searching same thing. They are seeing in the search engine optimization, and updated saying is also easy to connect. Our next topic is the tool of digital PR. If I am talking about the tool of digital PR, here are 10 different types of tool. First is the social media. Second is the search and social media monitor, digital assets, blogging, online chat, electronic mail, new media release, online conferencing, RSS, search engine optimization, SEO. Let's discuss one by one. If I am saying the search engine optimization, what is meant by the search engine optimization? It like managing your website show up of the top of the Google researches show so many more people can find out you. It means if you are searching same thing another and other people also searching the same thing in the website, they are coming the top of the page and it is easy to find, and we are putting the one two words and it is coming the all latest and updated news. Next is the social media. If I am talking about the social media, is the most important part because it is having a conversation with friends on your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, but of your business brand. If I am talking about the globally and locally, if we are talking in a sense of our business, if I am talking about the natural thing like we are conversation with our friends, we are chit chat. But if I am talking about the organization giving their information regarding to their product, brands, and their updating and their CSR activities and all these things. And our next topic is next point is the search and social media monitor. Search and social media monitor means it is like to keeping an eye on you. People are staying about you online, imaging high super ears and to hear everyone conversation on your brand. And it is also help the social media knowing about the perception towards our brand, and it is very easily and it is very useful to know about what people are thinking about our product and how to people and how to media show our product to the public. Next is the digital asset. If I am talking about the digital asset, it means what digital asset I have in my chat box and in my digital lockers. If I am talking about digital assets, these are likely your online pictures, videos, documents, help to your brand story like the digital showroom, and we are generating one digital showroom and showing all these things on the digital asset room. Next is the blocking. If I am talking about the blocking, it is an online diary and it is an online video recording which is helping to them the story, and like this, it is like to writing in your online diary, but instead of sharing helpful interesting story about your business or interested to the people. If I am talking about our business via the digital PR, and it is very helpful to the people connect with my organization and they are knowing about what is going on in my organization, and organization is also known what the people thinking about their product. And next is the online chatting. If I am talking about the online chatting, it is like texting of our customer in a real time. You can help with a question or problem quickly, and it is very easily, because nowadays most of the people having a AI chat box. You no need to give the any instruction to them, and one time you can instruct them. No one has the manual work. They, if they have a problem, any query related to their doubts, they send the question and AI tools are the answer their question whenever it is possible. And the next is the electronic media. If I am talking about the electronic media is the tool of digital PR, yes, it is very useful, because without technology area, we are not develop anything. And nowadays, electronic media is also very useful in like the online magazine, online newspaper, and the online articles. This include the things like online newspaper, magazine, and TV. It is also the news about your brand shared digitally, and we are sharing our information digitally in the organization towards the people. New media release. It means it likes to sending our digital news or announcement about the brand which is easily shared online, and it is very useful to release a new news. Next point is the online conferencing. If I am talking about the online conferencing, it is having the virtual meeting on the people from the connection from one world to another world via the video call. It is make easy to connect and share the information. And online conferencing app nowadays available most of this like the Google Map, Google Meet, Zoom meeting app, and this like of things we are useful for the online conferencing. And our last topic, last heading is the RSS, real-time integration. What is mean by the real-time integration? Things of a people personalized news feed on your favorite website. It is gathering all updates in one place to trace them easily. It means RSS is the real simple synchronization. It is very useful to you people to think our news and search your news easily. And one website having the create page, and you can see the all details and all related news, interesting news in your single web page. It is very easy and it is very useful. And every organization nowadays have their online platform. They are posted their news and their things. This is the all about this chapter. Thank you everyone. We are discuss next topic in the next lecture.